Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we are discussing important current affairs for the topic MoUs and agreement for Feb month. Session will be quite interesting and important. Stay tuned with us till the end. Let's start. The first question is, name the airline that signed a letter of intent with the Indian Oil Corporation Limited in January to jointly explore the future supply of sustainable aviation fuel. Which airline we are talking about? Akasa Air. Next, identify the organization that signed an MoU with Berhampur University in January to digitize the rare Ayurvedic manuscripts and palm leaf documents. So, which organization it is? It is Central Council. I repeat, Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences. And this MoU has been signed for next 2 years. It was signed in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Next, choose the correct organization that has signed a 3-year MoU with the National Forensic Science University in Feb to improve cybersecurity and data protection in national highway operation. So, which is the correct organization? It is Indian Highways Management Company Limited. Next, identify the European Union entity with which the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has signed an e-signature pact to strengthen India-EU digital cooperation in January 2020. It is Directorate General for Communication Networks, Content and Technology, that is DigiConnect. Next, identify the port authority where the Outer Harbour project will be financed under the MoUs signed by the Ministry of Port Shipping and Waterways in Feb month. So, identify that port authority. It is VO Chidambaram Port Authority of Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. Next, in Feb, NGEL, that is your NTPC Green Energy Limited, which is a subsidiary of NTPC, they and Asago, they have signed a memorandum of understanding to develop India's first indigenous large-scale green urea plant at the Pudimakda Green Hydrogen Hub, that is located where? It is located in Andhra Pradesh. Right? This initiative aims to reduce India's urea import of 8 to 10 million tons out of an annual consumption of 35 to 40 million tons. Next, choose the trade pact for which India and the Six-Nation Gulf Council signed the term of reference to restart the negotiations in Feb 2026. It is your free trade agreement. Next, name the test or national test house that has entered an MoU with Standardization Testing and Quality Certification Directors, Electronics Regional Test Laboratory of the North in Feb to enable electromagnetic interference and electromagnetic compatibility testing of which platform? This is for drone. Next, mark the Indian defense manufacturer that has signed an MoU in Feb with an Italian aerospace defense and security company, that is Leonardo, to establish helicopter manufacturing ecosystem in India. Name that company. It is Adani Defense and Aerospace. Moving on, mention that company that has signed a partnership agreement with the Defence Science and Technology Agency of Singapore in Feb month to basically for what? To protect satellites from space debris collision and enhance the space situational awareness. So mention that company that has signed this partnership agreement for protecting the satellites from space debris. It is Digantra Industries. Next, Bharat Earth Movers Limited signed a tripartite master research agreement. What does this tripartite mean? There are 3 organizations who are coming together for this agreement, and this is your tripartite master research agreement. It was signed with IISc Bengaluru and the Foundation for Science, Innovation and Development for Advanced Research and Development in February. So these 3 organizations have signed this tripartite agreement for research and development. Next, the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment of Physics Walla Foundation has signed a memorandum of understanding in Feb month to provide free online coaching for competitive exams across India. Next, choose the defense public sector undertaking that is signed an MoU with the Hindustan Shipyard Limited in Feb to form a consortium for the National Shipbuilding Program. So choose the defense public sector undertaking. It is GRSE, Garden Rich Shipbuilders and Engineers. Next, name the state government that signed a letter of intent with Starlink Satellite Communication Private Limited to boost digital connectivity across remote and underserved areas. So name that state government. It is Gujarat. Next, identify that organization with which All India Institute of Ayurveda signed a memorandum of understanding in 26 to provide cashless treatment across 32 insurance companies. So which is that organization? It is General Insurance Council. Next, identify the stock exchange that has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Department of Post in Feb to expand mutual fund across India. So identify the stock exchange. It is National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Moving on, identify that organization that signed an MoU with the Global Finance and Technology Network in January to accelerate fintech and digital innovation. So identify that organization. It is Startup Policy Forum. Next, identify the country with which India has signed a bilateral social security agreement to prevent double social security contributions for cross-border workers and facilitate smoother mobility for professionals. So identify the country here. It is United Kingdom. Next, name the domestic manufacturer that signed an MoU with the Indian Army to supply advanced carbon fabrics and composite materials for defense applications. So name that domestic manufacturer. It is Agni Vastra. Next, identify that organization that signed an MoU with the Scientific Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and their arm National Institute of Science Communication and Policy Research in Feb to strengthen science communication and science technology and innovation policy research. So identify that organization. It is Indian National Science Academy. Next, name the organization that signed a collaborative agreement with the CSIR to jointly undertake research and development initiatives. So name that organization. Which is that organization? It is DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Next, identify the state UT that signed a memorandum of understanding with the Ministry of Earth Science in Feb to strengthen marine research, coastal resilience and blue economy activities. So identify the state or union territory. It is Puducherry. Next, name that institute that signed an MoU in Feb with Columbia University to establish a joint center of AI for manufacturing. Which is that IIT? It is IIT Bombay. Next, which bank has signed an MoU with Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode in Kerala to collaborate on executive education and capacity building as a part of their 90th Foundation Day celebration. So it was with which bank? It was with Indian Overseas Bank. And this 90th Foundation Day, it is on 10th of Feb. 10th of Feb. Next, identify that university that has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Center for Development of Telematics to collaborate on telecom and cyber security products. So, identify that university. It is Rashtriya Raksha University of Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Then, which UAE-based telecom provider partnered with Datawave Networks Limited in Feb to land and invest in Singapore-India Gulf submarine cable system in UAE, United Arab Emirates. It is DU, Emirates Integrated Telecommunications Company Limited. Then name the state government that has signed an MoUs worth 5,980 crore rupees in Feb month to strengthen their semiconductor and aerospace manufacturing sectors. So name that state government. It is the government of Tamil Nadu. So these were your important current affairs, students. Now it's time for the revision part. Which type of dual fuel demo train was launched by the Indian Railways in January at Ahmedabad, replacing up to 40% diesel usage? It is LNG diesel. That means both LNG, liquefied natural gas, and diesel fuel be utilized here. Correct? Next, where did Union Minister of State Dr. Jitendra Singh has inaugurated a 32 crore rupees CSIR's arm National Institute of Oceanography Shore-Based Regional Center in January 2026. It was at Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Next, name the ministry that has launched two additional modules, Survey Module and Waqaf Property Lease Management Module on the Umeed Central Portal in January 2026. It is the Ministry of Minority Affairs. Next, name the state that became India's largest contributor to renewables energy capacity as of December, with cumulative installations of 42.583 gigawatt, accounting for 16.5% of the country's total renewable energy capacity. Right option is Gujarat here. Next, the Ministry of Home Affairs mandated a minimum of dash central deputation experience, that is a minimum of 2 years of central deputation experience for the IPS officers that to be eligible for the Inspector General of Police posting on the Union government. Next, the Steel Authority of India has launched the National Creative Challenge, that is Celebraton Steel Built India Sail Built Trust. In January this was launched. It was in collaboration with which citizen engagement platform of the Government of India. So SAIL launched this Celebraton. It was with which government organization or institution? It was with MyGov. Right, this is a national creative challenge that was with this MyGov, and it is a citizen engagement platform of the Government of India. Next, in January, the Government of India has announced the withdrawal of dash excise duty on unmanufactured tobacco with effect from 1st Feb 2026. So, Government has announced a withdrawal of 18% excise duty on unmanufactured tobacco. Next, Government of India hosted the second India-Arab Foreign Ministers meeting in New Delhi, marking the first such meeting in India after 10 years of gap. Next, identify the Ministry of the Government of India that has unveiled the upgraded version of the National Youth Parliament Scheme web portal known as NYPS 2.0 in Feb 1 to expand the reach and inclusivity of the Youth Parliament program. Which is this ministry? It is the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Next, which voice-based billing and accounting platform was launched by Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and Chandrababu Naidu in Feb to support MSMEs? So, which voice-based billing and accounting platform was launched here? It was Pillow AI. Next, where did Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has announced the completion of the second mountain tunnel of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail project in Feb 2026. It was in Palghar, Maharashtra. Next, name the organization that was designated as the nodal agency for BRICS for Central Industrial that is your BRICS Center for Industrial Competencies, that is BCIC, after India's joining in Feb 2026. So which is this? It is National Productivity Council. Next is identify the mountain for which a joint mountaineer expedition was flagged off by Union Minister Rajnath Singh in Feb month as a part of 7 summits. Which is this mountain? Mount Aconcagua. Next, find authority that launched a digital portal for the electronic issuance of the certificates of origin for cultivated medicinal plants in Feb 2026. Right option is National Biodiversity Authority, NBA. Then you have to name the aircraft manufacturing company that partnered with Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya to inaugurate a Center of Excellence for Aerospace Research in Feb in Vadodara, Gujarat. The name of the manufacturing company here is Airbus. Next, India paid $35.18 million to UN regulatory budget in 26, following which it joined the UN honor roll. Next, in Feb, the Government of India has signed a tripartite agreement, that is with 3 organizations, that is Nagaland government and which apex body? So, Indian government, Nagaland government, and it is the Eastern Nagaland People's Organization. These 3 organizations came together and signed a tripartite agreement, right? Which is basically for what? It is for the creation of the Frontier Nagaland Territorial Authority. Next, in Feb, DPIIT under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry notified revised startup recognition framework under the Startup India Action Plan. As a key reform, the turnover threshold for the startup recognition was increased from 100 crore rupees to 200 crore rupees. Next, identify the country with which India aims to strengthen bilateral trade and investment through the Business Case Studies Compendium launched by the Secretary of the Ministry of Commerce and Industry in Feb month. So identify this country. Right option is Australia, option 4. Next, name the state government that has signed a memorandum of understanding for geothermal energy exploration and has launched Padhai with AI initiative in the Feb month. It is Himachal Pradesh state. Next, name the country that agreed with India on a framework for interim trade agreement on 7th Feb as a step towards full bilateral trade agreement. So name that country. It is United States of America. Next, identify the port that became the first port in India to deploy an advanced anti-drone system. It is a major step in protection of the critical port infrastructure. Right option is Vio Chitamanar Port. Where is this located? Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu. Next, identify that organization that has launched the beta version of the Model Context Protocol server on the eSankhi portal in Feb to enable direct access to official datasets for AI tools. Right option is NSO, National Statistical Office. Then IIT Madras Research Park and Unicorn India Ventures, they have launched the IITM Unicorn Frontier Fund 1 that is worth 600 crore rupees, and it will be supporting the deep tech startups in India. Next, on 3rd Feb, Ministry of Mines, they have notified the offshore areas mineral prevention of illegal mining and transportation rules to regulate and prevent illegal mining. Under these rules, the penalties include imprisonment up to 5 years, that is for 1 crore rupees, and fine up to 1 crore rupees, and imprisonment up to 5 years. Next, Goa became the second state in India to publish a state level bird atlas. Right, and it was after Kerala. So first state was Kerala and second is Goa to publish this state level atlas, bird atlas. Next, identify the state legislative assembly where the national e-Vidhan application was launched by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. So identify that state legislative assembly. It is Bihar Legislative Assembly. Next, identify the self-reliance mission that was launched by Shivraj Singh Chauhan at the Food Legumes Research Center, Sehur in Madhya Pradesh. So, identify that self-reliance mission. Which is that mission? It is Pulse Self-Reliance Mission. Next is choose the state where Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav virtually inaugurated the Suri Road Overbridge and Kumarpur ROB and flagged off the Asansol Bokaro train service in Feb month. It is West Bengal. Next, name the world's first doctor-led AI-powered home healthcare ecosystem that was launched in the Feb month. That is I Live Connect. Next, which of the following is not among the top 5 wool-producing states in India as per the basic animal husbandry statistics released in Feb 2026? Right option is Punjab. Next, identify the disease targeted under the annual nationwide mass drug administration campaign launched by JP Nadda with the aim of eliminating it by 2027. So, what is the name of that disease? It is lymphatic filariasis. Next, name the STQC lab automation portal inaugurated by Jitin Prasada in Feb in New Delhi to digitize the quality certification services for electronic and IT products. So name this STQC lab automation portal. It is Satya.